Ever feel like the kitchen is more battlefield than a place to create culinary masterpieces? Between the chopping, prepping, and cleaning, the joy of cooking can easily get lost in the shuffle. But what if there were tools that could make those tasks easier, faster, and even a little bit fun? Well, my friend, welcome to the wonderful world of cool and amazing kitchen gadgets. Forget your grandma's collection of dusty spatulas. These are innovative, space-saving, and time-saving wonders that will have you whipping up delicious dishes in no time. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, there's a gadget out there to help you become a master in your own domain. Number 1. Hand Press Juicer. When it comes to juicing, the hand press juicer is a game changer. Say goodbye to those bulky electric juicers that take up so much counter space and make a racket every time you use them. With a hand press juicer, you get all the convenience without the hassle. These compact juicers are perfect for squeezing fresh citrus fruits to get your daily dose of vitamin C. Not only are hand press juicers easy to use, but they're also incredibly easy to clean and store. No more dealing with clunky appliances cluttering up your cabinets. With a hand press juicer, you can enjoy fresh, healthy juice without the fuss. Number 2. Corer. If you're a fan of apples, you know how tedious it can be to core them for pies, stuffing, or just for a healthy snack. That's where a corer comes in to make your life easier. This handy tool is designed to effortlessly remove the core of fruits and vegetables, leaving you with perfectly shaped pieces that are ready to use in your culinary creations. Whether you're making a batch of apple pie, preparing a fruit salad, or just enjoying a fresh apple snack, a corer can save you time and hassle. No more struggling with knives or wasting valuable fruit. With a corer, you can quickly and easily core apples and other fruits, making cooking and snacking more enjoyable and efficient. Number 3. Toothpick Dispenser. Say goodbye to the days of digging around in a box for a single toothpick, only to leave a trail of scattered picks in your wake. With a toothpick dispenser, you can keep your toothpicks organized and dispense them with a single touch. Not only does it add a touch of sophistication to your kitchen counter, but it also eliminates the frustration of searching for a rogue toothpick that seems to have mysteriously vanished into thin air. The toothpick dispenser is not just a practical kitchen gadget, it's also a stylish addition to your kitchen decor. With its sleek design and convenient functionality, it's sure to impress your guests and make your life easier. Number 4. Electric Mini Chopper. Chopping herbs, nuts, or garlic can often be a time-consuming and laborious task, leaving your fingers sore and aching. However, with the advent of the electric mini chopper, this once tedious chore has been transformed into a quick and effortless process. The electric mini chopper serves as your new best friend in the kitchen, offering a convenient solution for mincing and chopping tasks. All you need to do is toss your ingredients into the chopper, press a button, and within moments, you'll have perfectly chopped ingredients ready to enhance the flavors of your dishes. Gone are the days of tears shed over onions, or the struggle to finely chop garlic into tiny, even pieces. The electric mini chopper eliminates these hassles, making food preparation a breeze. Number 5. Momo Maker. Attention to all dumpling enthusiasts and aspiring chefs. Are you ready to take your culinary skills to the next level? Introducing the Momo Maker, a revolutionary kitchen tool that is set to simplify the process of creating perfectly shaped momos, those delightful steamed or pan-fried dumplings originating from Nepal and Tibet. Gone are the days of struggling with misshapen pockets of dough, or spending hours trying to perfect the art of folding and crimping. With the Momo Maker, you can now effortlessly create uniform and professional-looking momos that are sure to impress your friends and family. Using the Momo Maker is easy and intuitive. Simply fill the mold with your favorite momo filling, fold the dough over, and crimp the edges to seal. In no time at all, you'll have a batch of beautifully shaped momos ready to be steamed, fried, or enjoyed however you prefer. Number 6. Onion Holder. We've all been there, tears streaming down our face as we try to chop onions. It's enough to make anyone avoid this flavorful ingredient altogether. But fear not, fellow onion lovers. An onion holder keeps your fingers a safe distance from the sharp blade while allowing you for clean and easy chopping. Now you can embrace the deliciousness of onions in your cooking without the watery side effects. Number 7. Garlic Press. Garlic adds a powerful punch of flavor to many dishes, but mincing it by hand can be a messy and time-consuming chore. Not to mention, your fingers can end up smelling like garlic for hours. A garlic press turns this garlic-infused frustration into a one-handed operation. Simply pop a peeled clove into the press, give it a squeeze, and voila! Perfectly minced garlic, ready to add its magic to your meal. Plus, the garlic press is easy to clean, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying the delicious results. Number 8. Honey Dispenser. Dripping honey can be a sticky situation, leaving your fingers and countertops a sugary mess. A honey dispenser provides a controlled stream of honey, perfect for drizzling over pancakes, yogurt, or adding a touch of sweetness to tea. No more wrestling with sticky jars or accidentally using too much honey. The dispenser gives you precision and keeps your kitchen clean. Number 9. 6-in-1 Foldable Grater. Tired of having a drawer full of graters for every size and texture? The 6-in-1 Foldable Grater is a space-saving hero. This ingenious tool offers 6 different grating surfaces, from coarse to fine, for cheese, vegetables, fruit, and more. It folds up for easy storage, keeping your countertops clutter-free and your drawers organized. Now you can tackle any grating task with ease, from topping a casserole with fluffy parmesan to creating delicate chocolate curls for dessert. Number 10. Bottle Brush. Ever stared helplessly at a grimy water bottle or vase, knowing the grime lurking in those hard-to-reach corners? Well, fret no more. A bottle brush is your secret weapon against buildup. Those stubbornly stuck-on bits of food or tea stains don't stand a chance against the bristles of a good bottle brush. Now you can ensure your drinkware is sparkling clean and germ-free, no matter how deep or narrow the container. Number 11. Yonanas. Calling all frozen dessert lovers with a sweet tooth. Who says healthy can't be delicious? A Yonanas transforms frozen fruit into healthy, soft-serve ice cream. It's the perfect way to satisfy your cravings for a cool treat on a hot day without the guilt of sugary additives or artificial flavors. Simply freeze your favorite fruits, toss them into the Yonanas, and enjoy a delicious and nutritious frozen treat in seconds. Number 12. Grater Handy. Cheese lovers, rejoice! Forget the back and forth grating over a cutting board, leaving a trail of shredded cheese scattered across your counter. The Grater Handy allows you to grate cheese directly over your dish, eliminating the need for a separate cutting board and minimizing mess. Whether you're topping a steaming plate of pasta or sprinkling cheese on a freshly baked quiche, the Grater Handy lets you add cheesy goodness with precision and ease. Plus, it's compact and easy to clean, making it a must-have for any cheese enthusiast. Number 13. Dishwashing Gloves. Let's face it, washing dishes isn't always the most glamorous chore. But with a pair of comfy dishwashing gloves, you can protect your hands from hot water, harsh detergents, and stubborn food residue. These gloves keep your hands soft and protected while you conquer that mountain of dirty dishes. Plus, they come in a variety of fun colors and patterns, so you can add a touch of personality to your dishwashing routine. Number 14. Egg Separator. Separating egg yolks from whites can be a delicate task, often resulting in a gooey mess and frustration. An egg separator takes the stress out of this process. Simply crack your egg and let the separator do the work. The yolk will rest neatly in the designated compartment, while the white flows freely into your bowl. Now you can achieve perfectly risen cakes and fluffy omelets, without the worry of accidentally breaking the yolk. Number 15. Chef Basket. Imagine this. You've just finished boiling a pot of perfectly cooked pasta. But how do you get it out without creating a colander catastrophe or ending up with mushy pasta clinging to the bottom of the pot? Enter the Chef Basket, your new best friend for effortless straining and lifting. This ingenious basket lets you strain pasta, blanch vegetables, or deep-fry foods all in one go. Simply lift the basket out of the pot, eliminating the need for colanders or messy transfers. It's the perfect way to streamline your cooking process and ensure perfectly cooked food every time. We've reached the end of our kitchen gadget showcase, but the culinary journey doesn't have to stop here. Explore these gadgets, experiment with new recipes, and let your imagination run wild in the kitchen. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy cooking!